Welcome. If you've ever wanted to send a video with a comment to your Instagram group chat directly from your PC, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest update, sharing videos and adding your own message has never been easier. Let's walk through the simple steps to do this, so you can stay connected and share your favorite moments with your group, all from the comfort of your computer. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram's official website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the one that looks like a speech bubble. This is your messages icon. Now, you'll see a list of all your recent conversations. Scroll through and find the group chat you want to send your video to. Click on the group to open the conversation. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll notice a message bar where you usually type your messages. Right next to it, there's a small photo icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a File Explorer window on your computer. From here, browse your folders and select the video you want to share with your group. Once you've found it, click on the video file and then hit the Open button. The video will automatically attach to your message. But wait, before you send it off, you can add a personal touch. In the message bar, type out your comment or any text you want to include with your video. Whether it's a funny caption, a quick explanation, or just a friendly hello, this is your chance to make your message stand out. Finally, once you're happy with your video and your comment, simply click the Send button. Your video, along with your text, will be delivered to the group instantly. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can now share videos and your thoughts with your Instagram group chats, right from your PC. Give it a try and keep your group conversations lively and fun. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.